Hello everyone, welcome to Destiny Creativity. This video is about another wall hanging I made out of boxes. So it's nice to reuse the boxes at home to create something nice and beautiful, easy. All the material will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's begin. So I cut out the box. I'll put all the dimensions in the description box. In total, I have 9 of those pieces. I covered them up with white tape, but you can use contact paper as well. Then applied crushed glass using Podge for a good effect. This actually dried very fast, but I had to also apply another layer of Mod Podge just to seal the glass, and I had to wait overnight for it to really be dry. So it took some time. Yeah. Now that all the panels were dry, I had to glue them together, but this gave me some hard time because of the crushed glass. So I would prefer for you to first put the boards together and then you put the glass last. That would really help. But yeah, I guess finished and it all turned out okay. So I love the design. For this next step, I cut out 3 boards. I'll put the dimensions in the description box. Painted this gray and then added glitter onto them. Once they were dry, I put a flower mirror onto them, and these I would add onto the panels. I then glued these designs onto the panels, and like I said, it would be easier if I didn't have the crushed glass onto the panels already. So if you're trying this, please just do that before. And then this is how it looked like on the wall, and then I decided to just add backlights onto this. So this is the arrangement that I used. I just used tape and glue. So I put them all around the panels, and then also I did small blocks. I used boards as well to just level it up so that it's off the wall. Yeah, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like on the wall. I used 2-sided tape and pins to hang it, and I think it looks much better with the lights. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, thank you so much. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for all the videos that I'll be uploading. Yeah, thank you. Please stay safe and God bless. See you next time. Bye.